Hello, my creative friends. Today I am going to share something amazing story about Christmas craft. Today I want to take you in a journey where glue, glitter, pine cone, and paper come alive with love, where every tiny handmade ornaments whisper a story of Christmas, of warmth, of creativity, and of memories made by hand. Long ago, in a small snowy village, there lived a little girl named Ella. Her family was poor and they could not afford to buy shiny ornaments for their Christmas tree. Once winter morning, Ella walked into the woods and found fallen pine cones, small, rough, and brown. She thought, maybe I can make them beautiful. She gathered them, painted them white like snowflakes, tied red ribbons around them, and added tiny golden buttons. That night her family hung the pine cones on their old wooden tree. When the candles were lit, the pine cones sparkled like stars that had fallen from the sky. And everyone in the house felt rich. Not in money, but in joy. Since then, people in that village believed that handmade crafts carry wishes of love, and every Christmas they decorate their trees with pine cones, not ornaments from the store. In another home, far away, a mother and her son spent their Christmas evening collecting empty glass jars. The mother said, these jars may look empty, but if we fill them with light, they can will fill heart with hope. They placed tiny candles inside, wrapped jute around the rim, and decorated them with dry leaves, cinnamon sticks, and stars cut from old magazines. When the night fell, they lit the jars and placed them by their window. People walking by smiled. The little boy whispered, Mom, in window is brighter than the sky. She smiled and said, that's the magic of handmade things, my love. They glue from the heart. Part 3. The recycled wreath of kindness. Once upon a time, an old man who lived alone decided to make something special for his neighbors. He collected old paper rolls, bottle caps, and bits of fabric, things people usually threw away. With patience and love, he shaped them into a beautiful Christmas wreath. He hung it on his door, and soon people from all around the neighborhood came to admire it. Children asked, where did you buy it? He smiled softly and said, it's made from forgotten things. Just like me, that day the neighbors brought him cookies, tea, and laughter. The wreath did not just decorate his door, it opened his heart to the world again. Now come to another story. The craft table of dreams. And somewhere, maybe even in your own home, there's a little table filled with ribbons, colors, and dreams. It's where magic happens. It's where simple things, paper, cloth, pine, and buttons turn into decoration full of memories. When you craft decorate something by hand, you are not just making decor, you are making moments. Moments that children remember, that families share, that hearts treasures. Thank you for joining me today. My dear friends, remember, every craft tells a story and every handmade thing carries your heart inside it. This season, let your home shine with your own touch of magic. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and keep spreading warmth. Happy festival. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a happy crafty ideas. Thank you for being here. So, we are trying to show you amazing and beautiful craft ideas for you. We are definitely trying to bring for your response for amazing, beautiful ideas, beautiful crafty ideas, beautiful, amazing creation And either there's falling ornaments, there's felt craft, there's button craft, jute craft, and mixture of many more. So if you like the video, if you like this crafty ideas, if you want to make more designs like this, want to watch more designs like this, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Hello my creative friends. Today I am going to share something amazing story about Christmas craft. Today I want to take you in a journey where glue, glitter, pine cone and paper come alive.